Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2022 Toyota Sienna Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, OK for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push start, go ahead and press it twice. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now go ahead and as you can see, this message right here, every time you see this message, go ahead and press back. Now go ahead and press right or left to go find your page, which is here at the setting. Now once you get here at the wrench, go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you find vehicle setting. Go ahead and press that OK button and hold it. Now go ahead and let go. Now go ahead and scroll down all the way down until you find schedule maintenance. Go ahead and enter on that. Scroll up to yes and hit yes. Now go ahead and click back. You're gonna have to also reset the oil maintenance, so go ahead and scroll down to that, enter on it. Scroll down up to yes, enter on yes, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.